Yo, when you bring your life to social media, no, you can't blame nobody, no. And you know, say, yo, the vlogger, them have a workout they fit do, and I'd hit them a do, you see it. And right now, Queenie, I blame the vlogger them for her relationship and her life, you see me. But you don't know if your life and she live it how she want to live it and bring it to social media, so you don't know we have a job, so we are going to voice your opinion on it. Don't seem like the viewers, them a drop them comment and a voice their opinion. You see it at the time of social media. You see me? And big up the people in the comment section. We are tell the vlogger them to go look work. And then I know say, yo, the work we have might be all greater than phone work. You see it? And Queenie that you have burn out of fire. You see it? Should have start about our relationship and people who have voice them opinion on it. You see it? Yeah man, and if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. And if it's a returning viewers, just like up the video them man and just drop a comment before you go man. And we'll forward my video and hear it. Queenie I say she not like when people say she crazy and thing, but I don't know how she act them look weird. That's why people have to say that you see it. Yeah man, we forward my video, not to enjoy it out still.
Social media, and the only way I'm gonna get me off of this, unless I kill me. So like how so much I know I kill I'll start to not kill me, I don't want to see me upon this, but there's no other not gonna get me off of this, because me earn this. Me get enough a lot of disrespect for this. Me stand up for this. People left, right and center. Oh, I don't know about doing at the first place. Me not even for call him name. I've done make a picture, I don't even want to come back here come call him name. Now because of the internet, I don't know him from nowhere. Wanna discover me and him relationship on the internet. So there's a set of conniving, confused, hypocritical. Because no one tell me when the and shame, none of not take by my strength God give me. God make me terrible and awful. Look how me look good. Makeup, hairstyle. You know what God said, Queenie? Don't give a them once because you're my creation. And God create me. And the creator him create me. I sit down and I feel boring. I'm a come on internet. I don't know what I'm going to talk to. I just say, be me. So when I say, Queenie, you should do this, and I kiss my jaw. Because not even me myself don't even know what my phone do. See me here? One man again for come here tell him, I don't ask nobody to stand by me and help my cause. I want to choose that willfully. So if you want to rate me, I want to love me, I want to appreciate me, I want to choose to stand by me willfully. Don't want to harden over me to tell me, say, because when they stand by me don't even know 3/4 that, I don't expect me, no. I am the famous one, I am the queen, I am the superstar, I am the artist, if I am the one that own the platform, so how me must know what una do? What interest you bring to me? Me get up my cuss, me disgrace myself, me sing, me dance, me perform, me do all sorts. So one gonna tell me, I am a great person. That you can sit here and watch me. So when everybody I call up and say, you know, see the big disgrace. So none of things say me, they know say a disgrace and I put it up. Let me have a reason. One of the things say me have seizure or dementia. So when me have this dementia, me I say, no, this is gonna look good, everybody I gonna feel. When you hear what I just say, me feel some type of way. I mean, know all I want to class, me I say. Remember a long time when I wish all of the bad for me, you know. So when the bad come, I show no say the bad come, you know why I show no come, I show no don't me I conquer that. I make a stand up firm. When I hide, I make it look like it did all smooth. So I show no say, see, me. Breathe, after a storm, there must be a calm. Me, Queenie, me love myself. Me, Queenie, I'm proud of myself. Me rate myself. Me respect myself. Respect me. Do I give a on to rate me? No, I don't care. Because when me I love up myself, me no member or no. When me I rate myself and I praise myself, me no member or no. One terrible awful. Some of them say, oh, Queenie, because people are like that. I like that. horrible things about me. There's a difference. You can't love me and say horrible things about me because that's the difference. You can't love me and still jealous of me. So them the way I make horrible comments, it don't necessarily mean that they don't like me. Them have them own reason. But me now sit down. You hear that? I put on my pot on nobody. I seduce myself, I hypnotize myself, I flirt with myself, I praise myself, I mad over myself, I crazy with myself. Me not need nobody to let me down. I mean, I let down myself. So if there's a part of my past now, I mean, you know, so I stay to go West Queenie Road. I stay to go West Queenie night time. And the time she not come. I got miss Stacy, but I don't give a I born by myself. Me and my mother one girl, you know. Me and my brother them one sister, you know. I feel like God made me special. And all when them want to disown me and turn them back on me, they can't. You see my kids them? No exceptional. My opinion them, all when them not like when them have to appreciate me. And them have to accept me. So on the internet when you know me, I have two bloggers done. My sexy I look good now for 52. You can't come tell me about my life and pass your place in my life and because I put it out there, I go say, woman, wait man. Because if me not disgraceful and get dirty on no feed, so me a feed you know. Me a feed you know with store them. So my reason is this. When I come to my page, when I have my downfall, film take off, can't go over YouTube, edit it for nowhere, so on the one say, on an opinion towards my life, and then discriminate me. But remember, you don't have to tell me if I come off this, come off for what? I know for I got hungry now. When I send come buy me a bunch of flowers to send to give me daughter, when I nasty money. And anybody will dog me up glad silence and become I come public and them listen to the ride. Them a dog knows not. My bugo, the bitter summer to my ears. When the summer come out of your eye name. Matter. I mean, not so feel like that class me. Out of my downfall. I look fuse. I saw me can't class and employees. Yeah, when I'm a slayer. With me come and speak my truth. I'm say, you know, so when crocodile use him tail off, play with my and I said, that Queenie just said, she just said, one you crap it, you edit it, you put it on your platform. Remember, I know you the crocodile with nasty and germsy. I know the want to sit down and listen to like drama. When you come kiss up blogger, mad girl, I want to call mad girl, come kiss out my corruption. Mad no mama clot. Mad girl no get on with life. You hear that? Mad as in a speech. But not clot reality. Mad no come talk about section and whatever. When I come talk about mental health, mental health and depressed. Because when we stress, the wickedest killer is stress. The wickedest killer is that stress. Move on, I don't want to disappear. I don't want either for internet. Internet a play. It's not 1969 this when I did born. So when you're born, even when you're born, and you're not used to internet.